When you're designing mobile-friendly emails in Mailchimp, it can be tricky to make sure everything looks great on every device. But with the right techniques, you can easily create emails that look perfect no matter where they're opened. In this video, we'll walk you through how to design mobile-friendly emails in Mailchimp that not only look professional, but also boost engagement. First things first, start with a responsive template. Mailchimp has plenty of them, and they automatically adjust to fit the screen size of the device your email is being viewed on. This saves you a ton of time. Using a responsive template ensures that your emails adapt to both mobile phones and desktops, making your design process a lot easier. Next, keep your content simple and concise. On mobile, less is more. A lot of text can overwhelm mobile users, so break your message into digestible sections. Focus on your core message and remove any unnecessary fluff. This makes sure your email isn't just mobile-friendly, but also mobile-optimized. Use clear headings and bullet points to improve readability on smaller screens. The third thing you should do is make sure your buttons are big enough to click on. On mobile, people are navigating with their fingers, so small buttons can be frustrating. Aim for a button size of at least 44px by 44px, and make sure there's enough space around each button to avoid accidental clicks. This simple step will improve the user experience and make it easier for readers to take action. Next, check the font sizes. For mobile-friendly emails in Mailchimp, you want your text to be large enough to read without zooming. A good rule of thumb is to use at least 14px for body text and 22px for headings. Don't use fancy fonts that might not display well on all devices. Stick to web-safe fonts like Arial or Helvetica for readability. The fifth thing to keep in mind is image optimization. On mobile, large image files can slow down loading times, so make sure your images are compressed and properly sized. Mailchimp allows you to use images that automatically adjust to the screen size, which is perfect for ensuring your email loads quickly and looks great, even on mobile. Next, test, test, test. Before sending your email, make sure to preview it on both desktop and mobile. Mailchimp has a preview tool that lets you see exactly how your email will look on various devices. This step is crucial to ensure your design looks good everywhere and that nothing is cut off or misplaced. Lastly, make sure to use a single column layout. Multi-column designs can look great on desktops, but tend to get messed up when viewed on mobile devices. A single column layout keeps everything aligned and ensures that your email remains readable on any screen size. And don't forget, you can use Mailchimp completely for free, and I've included an exclusive link below that gives you even more bonuses if you decide to try it out. This will help you build those perfect, mobile-friendly emails in no time. To wrap it up, creating mobile-friendly emails in Mailchimp doesn't have to be difficult. By choosing responsive templates, keeping content concise, optimizing buttons and fonts, compressing your images, and testing your emails, you can ensure that your emails look great on any device. Plus, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial linked below. It's your ticket to easily creating the best emails for your audience. Thanks for watching.